mission to find Sproutlets being super active. The Sprout Spotter! It rings whenever super Sproutlets are nearby, being super active or good to the earth. Let's see where they are. There's a super Sproutlet carrying newspapers. I wonder what they're going to do with all that stuff. Oh, they're using the newspaper to wrap that teddy bear up like a present. That's super, because they're turning the newspaper into something useful. The present is almost wrapped. But wait, one thing's missing. A ribbon. That Sproutlet is taking old ribbon and reusing it to decorate their gift. Way to go, Super Sproutlets! I've got just the thing for you. Let's sprout! Hi, Super Sproutlets! Hi! I love how you reuse newspaper and ribbon to make wrapping paper. It's Super Sproutlet time! Yay! Superhero pose! And what a sproutastic job you did wrapping this present. What lucky friend is going to get it? It's for you! Oh, why thank you! You made me super happy. And I promise to reuse the ribbon when I wrap a gift for you. I just have one question. How do we wrap this? I think I'm going to need more newspaper. This is Bean saying, mission accomplished. Over and sprout.
Wow, Bean, you and the Sproutlets are really taking care of the earth.